Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, your go-to channel for all things wellness. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest health tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring wellness content. If you're as passionate about health as we are, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Now let's dive into today's video. Welcome to our video on weight loss and managing diabetes. Dinner choices play a crucial role. The proper meals can help stabilize blood sugar levels while promoting a healthy weight. This video will explore delicious dinner options that satisfy your taste buds and support your health goals. Eating well doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It can be quite the opposite. You'll discover meal planning tips, easy-to-follow recipes, and the benefits of incorporating nutrient-dense ingredients into your evening meals. Get ready to transform your dinner routine into a flavorful journey towards better health and well-being. Understanding diabetes and weight management. Managing diabetes effectively often hinges on maintaining a healthy weight, as excess weight can complicate blood sugar control and increase insulin resistance. This makes it essential to focus on a balanced diet supporting weight management and diabetes care. A well-rounded diet rich in whole foods helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing the body with the nutrients it needs without unnecessary spikes in glucose. Effective strategy is incorporating low glycemic index foods into your dinner. These foods release glucose slowly, helping to maintain steady energy levels and prevent sudden cravings. Understanding this relationship allows you to make informed choices that benefit your health and well-being. Key nutrients for dinner. When planning your dinner, incorporating essential nutrients is key to supporting weight loss and diabetes management. Start with fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains, which not only aid digestion, but also help keep you feeling full longer. These foods play a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Next, include lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes. They provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and help maintain energy levels without excess calories. Finally, don't forget about healthy fats from avocados and nuts. These fats are crucial for heart health and can enhance satiety, making your meals nutritious and satisfying. If you love our content, why not become part of our vibrant community by hitting that subscribe button? We're all about sharing today's recipes and wellness inspiration. Now let's jump back into today's video and discover exciting new ways to boost your health. Dinner recipes for weight loss. Are you looking for delicious recipes promoting weight loss? Start with grilled salmon served alongside quinoa and steamed broccoli. This dish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making it nutritious. Next, try a hearty vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Sauté your favorite veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas in a splash of low-sodium soy sauce, adding tofu for a protein boost. Lastly, consider a low-carb zucchini noodle dish topped with marinara sauce. Spiralized zucchini makes a fantastic pasta alternative, keeping the meal light while satisfying your cravings. These recipes are not only healthy but also bursting with flavor. Portion control and meal timing. Understanding portion sizes and meal timing is essential for weight loss and diabetes management. Smaller portions can significantly aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake while allowing you to enjoy a variety of foods. Additionally, eating dinner earlier in the evening can help regulate your metabolism and improve digestion, giving your body ample time to process the meal before bedtime. This practice can also prevent late-night snacking, often leading to unwanted weight gain. To enhance satisfaction, embrace mindful eating practices by savoring each bite and paying attention to hunger cues. This approach promotes healthier choices and fosters a more enjoyable dining experience. Tips for dining out. Eating out doesn't have to derail your healthy eating goals. Start by looking for grilled or baked options instead of fried dishes, as these choices are typically lower in calories and unhealthy fats. Don't hesitate to ask for dressings and sauces on the side for salads or entrees. This way you can control how much you use, keeping your meal lighter and more nutritious. Another effective strategy is to share meals with a dining companion or take leftovers home. This helps you manage portion sizes and allows you to enjoy a delicious meal again later. With these tips, you can make healthier choices while dining out. This video highlighted the importance of making informed dinner choices to support weight loss and diabetes management. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, practicing portion control, and being mindful of meal timing, you can create a healthier dining experience. We encourage you to try the delicious recipes and practical tips shared today, as they can make a significant difference in your health journey. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from it. We can promote healthier eating habits and empower each other toward better health.